Before you begin, remove the stand. Removal. Loosen the P2 Phillips head screw that secures the I/O port's rear cover to the chassis. Using a flat-bladed, non-metallic tool, carefully separate the edges of the I/O port's rear cover from the display panel assembly. Slide the I/O port's rear cover off of the stand hinge and remove. Replacement. Slide the I/O port's rear cover onto the stand hinge. Align the cutouts in the I/O port's rear cover with the external connectors on the motherboard, and lower the I/O port's rear cover into position on the display panel assembly. Carefully apply pressure to the edges of the I/O port's rear cover to secure it into place on the display panel assembly. Tighten the captive P2 Phillips head screw that secures the I/O port's rear cover to the chassis.